Are you thinking about selling your home but not sure if you should tackle repairs or just sell it as is? Let's break it down. Selling as is, well, it has some perks. You could save time, save upfront costs, and skip the hassle of negotiating potential repairs with buyers. But there's some trade-offs that come with that too. Selling as is could mean fewer offers, sitting on the market longer, and ultimately selling for less, since many buyers prefer move-in ready homes. The best way to decide? Well, let's have a conversation. Let me come over and have a look at your house and let's talk about it. I can tell you what today's buyers are looking for, and I'll help you weigh the pros and cons based on your timeline, budget, and goals so you can make the best choice for you.